Hey guys, it's time for an updated laundry room video. So you can see I have the new Chinese fan there. And everything else is the same. Okay, the robot took this exact minute to start beeping. That's what you're hearing. There's that. It's got, I think, a 5 microfarad capacitor in there. Everything else is still the same fountains, same box fans. Shut up, robot, I'll deal with you eventually. Okay, so CEC came up first. Low. Medium. This is probably the most powerful fan in here, although its airflow is stunted a little bit by that duct there. High. Interesting that medium is louder than high, even though high is faster. Okay. Off. While that's spinning down, the next one to come up is the Strato-Fan. Which I think is my new favorite of the fans in here. Something about an industrial with a nut on the bottom is just really cool. Low. Medium. High. Let that spin down. Next up is, oh, the Evergo. Perfect, because it's right next to it. Low. Medium. And high. Okay. Next up, what did we grab next? Okay, the mini gold line. Low. Medium. For whatever reason, this one you hear the hum from most. Maybe the canopy's touching the wood, I don't know. High. Next, the view fan. I didn't intend to save the new fan for last. New fan meaning the one that's new, not new fan, which is what the view fan might have been labeled. I didn't intend to save it for last, but I'm not bothered that it turned out to be last either. Low. Medium. So make sure you can see that spinning down while we're doing this one. Okay. Last we have the new fan. Has no specific brand name that I know of. The box is not labeled. And multiple factories make identical fans, so I don't really know what to call it. This is not removable. I checked. Or at least it's not designed to be removed. It's 24 inches, designed to be 220 and go like 800 RPM. On 120 with a higher capacitor value, it is slower than that, which is fine. You don't really want a fan going 800 RPM unless you really don't care about the noise. In fact, when you read reviews of people, because this is designed for the Indian market, and so when you read reviews of people in India who buy them, they always say they never use it over speed 3 for most of these small fans because of the noise. 2. 3. Make sure you can see that spinning down in the background. So this is high, but it is not as high as it would be if it was on the correct voltage with the correct capacitor. But it's plenty fast and moves a decent amount of air for being so small. Moves a lot of air when it's actually at full power. Okay. We'll let that spin down. So we'll do a full video with everything on high. Let's turn some of these lights on while we're waiting. Oh, it's these, okay. Not looking at the remote to see what's what. Okay, that's all the lights in here. And the fountains are on. I'll turn the box fans on too, and we'll do everything. I like this one better than the previous fan, just appearance-wise. I think it's a cool addition. Okay, high. Okay, that was the gold line. High Evergo. High Strato-Fan. High CEC. High view fan. Wonder if it'll make this one spin backwards if I don't turn this on right away. So far it doesn't look like it. Okay, high this one. Okay. Low. Medium. High. Low. Medium. High. Okay. Too bad I can't drop an amp meter on everything in this room. It's different circuits. Okay. Alexa, laundry room off. Okay. So those are going to stop first. Now I believe... I don't actually know which one stops first here. Have I even done a spin down where I tested that? I may not have tested that yet. Okay, small fan first, CEC second, mini gold line third, Strato-Fan fourth, and then these will be stragglers. The view fan will be next though. Now, the problem is when I tell her to turn the laundry room off, that includes turning off the her that's in this room. So I have to use the one in the music room, which never turns off, in order to turn everything back on. Alexa, laundry room on.
Okay.
Pretty impressive. See everything power on. Okay, let's put it all back to the way it should be. Back to low and off. Okay. I'm turning all these off because I'm going to do another video when this video is done. And I need them all off for that video. And the lights. Don't need the additional lights on. Alexa, fountains off.
Okay.
Okay, well that's it for this video. Got one more to do tonight, and we'll have more later as things keep changing. Thanks for watching.